This video will be a demo for my app, goMyTeams. After installing the program, it will show up as an icon, as you can see here. Now you can just tap on this icon to start running the program. And then the app first brings you to the sign-in page. And because your photos and photo albums will be saved in your Google Photo Cloud, you must sign in using your Google account. And also, since photos and albums in this app are saved in the Google Cloud, you will have less space issues on your phone. So let me sign in with my test app. Okay. And after you tap on the sign in with Google button, you'll see some consent requirements to using the app. So I'll advance here. Okay. And then I'll click go to goMyTeams. So these are some of the consent forms that we need to agree to. And the reason why we are using these and we're asking for your consent is one, because we're using photos, the photo library API. And this is so that we can see, upload, and organize items in your Google Photos library. This API lets users view and upload their photos into the Google Photo albums created by the goMyTeams app. As the app developer, I don't have any access to the users or any other users other than myself, anybody else's Google Photo library or their albums. And second, this next tab, first I will click check. And this next part is so that is also using the Google Photos API, and this is so that we can share with other people. Maybe they're in your team or just in a group. So this is to manage and add to shared albums. Okay, and this API is used to create albums for teams and sharing them among team members. This is also so that you can receive shared albums from other people. And again, as the app developer, I don't create or share albums for users. So I have no viewing and it's all private. So I will click check and continue. After successfully logging in, you can view existing albums or create new albums for your team. To create new albums, you will click this create new album button. And if someone else sends you a token for a shared album, you can join it by clicking on join a team album, that button right here. And then you can just paste a token and you can join. If you tap on a new or existing album on this page to get to a particular album, for example, I'm about to join into my swim team's album. Now there are 4 functions in this in this page. You can share it with anyone with a link. Anyone with the URL link can access all the photos in this album. Don't show the link for safety reasons. You can share the token of an album to your team members so that they can access the album using the same goMyTeams app. You can tap on the add photo button. Then you will see 2 options: pick a photo from gallery and take a photo using your phone's camera. You can also add a description here for the photo that you choose and then add the photo to your album. You can tap on any photo to display it in the zoomed view in the next page. So I will pick this. In the zoomed view, you can, of course, zoom in, rotate as you want, and it will stay, and pan to view details of the photo. If your Google photo ever times out, you can always use a button on the top right to reconnect. Also, to reset your view, because you are rotated, you can just double tap, and it will bring you right back. You can also navigate to the beginning page, just sign off and sign in. And you can go all the way back. And I hope that you will enjoy this app with your team and group members.